It is my honor and privilege to be part of the Yellow Ribbon Walk 2025, a symbol of transformation, unity, and second chances. Today's theme of action, change, forgive, accept, reflects our collective responsibility in shaping a more inclusive, compassionate, and secure Fiji. This initiative is more than a symbolic work. It is a movement that challenges us to embrace change not only in the lives of those who have stumbled, but within our own perceptions as a society. Rehabilitation and reintegration are not only the responsibility of our corrections service, they are national duties aligned with our coalition government's vision under the National Development Plan 2025-2029 of empowering the people of Fiji through unity. The role of the Fiji Corrections Services in the rehabilitation of offenders under the overall law and justice system is critical towards achieving a safe and secure Fiji. Rehabilitation services have run parallel in line with the security functions of the Fiji Corrections Services. The basic function of the Fiji Corrections Service is to look after our inmates with humanity and to help them reform and lead law-abiding and productive lives upon their release. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, the coalition government is responsible for ensuring that our corrections services is well equipped and manned with the best personnel to effectively carry out the corrections services constitutional responsibilities. The coalition government will focus on providing efficient and cost-effective prison services, including rehabilitation, to ensure systemic reintegration of our people within our prisons back in the society. Priority will be placed on improving infrastructure and design of prison facilities to be conducive to rehabilitation and security, and develop incentives to reskill offenders to implement the process of reintegration. When we open our communities to welcome back those who made amends, the aim of the Yellow Ribbon program is for ex-offenders to return to their homes and contribute positively to our societies. As a government, we see this program as a wise and necessary investment, one that retains dignity, reduces recidivism, and strengthens our nation's social fabric. To the Fiji Corrections Service, the Acting Commissioner, the Deputy Commissioner, your commitment to reform through care rehabilitation and to working hand in hand with the community is commendable. And I thank you all for your dedication and your leadership. Let this work be a reminder that we will all walk this journey together. The theme, Work for Action, signifies the importance of society to change. Today's work signifies that very, very strongly. So once again, Naka Vakalevu, thank you for the invitation. And as I said, I'm extremely delighted to be here, and may this Yellow Ribbon Walk inspire all of us to true action and an enduring change. Brava Lebu, thank you, Dhanyawad.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our chief guest, Deputy Prime Minister, Minister for Finance, Honorable Biman Prasad, please.